So you have traveled the furthest to get to a Legacy Summit officially.
The winner. From Alaska. Where was a spot you would host a summit where I wouldn't go? You know, I've always even wanted to go to the moon, so I didn't know if the moon would count. The sun?
Keep on moving till the first rays are done. Keeping it on till the day stays strong. Rolling till the nighttime blazes on. All along I keep singing my song. I say, this phase is always. Sometimes I get so crazy, but just know that I'll always stay. Cause you're my light through the haze.
The reason that we're all here because of all the decisions you've made. All the places that you could be in, all the rooms that you could be sitting in. This is the one. And the one thing that links us all together, we are better together.
I actually feel like this is my family. I have to figure out a way to get this group to Puerto Rico.
Time for a champion, to the soul of the land. Men are art from the sea and the sand, till the sun comes up again.
There is nothing that this group couldn't accomplish as a collective whole. Absolutely, like we can move markets in this room. Do you guys realize that?
Reach for the sky, keep your eye on the prize. Forever in my mind, be my golden sunshine.
I love my work. I would never stop working. Like retirement isn't a thing to us. We enjoy what we do, love what we do. But I also love the life and the vision that I've created for that and my family. Now, I'm very intentional about the fact that I do have choices. I do get to do something different. And even though that's not necessarily easy, I feel very, very lucky.
This is my world, this is my arena. The TV told me something different, I didn't believe it. I stand here in front of you today, all because of an idea. I could be who I wanted if I could see my potential, and I know that one day I'ma be him. Put the gloves on, sparring with my ego. Everyone's greatest obstacle, I beat him. Celebrate that achievement, got some attachments and baggage I'm actually working on leaving.
Be intentional in what those 10,000 hours look like, how you show up each time. Don't just show up to get it done to check it off. Make sure you're showing up for a reason and purpose. Did you know that when you put in alignment the way you think, feel, and act towards a common goal and outcome, you attract that, you create that, you become the causation of that outcome happening in your life?
The greats weren't great because at birth they could paint. The greats were great because they paint a lot.
A proud original gangster in the group, and I've come back because I'm a relationship guy. I don't like working with people I don't hang out with, and this group has dozens of people that I've met, and I'm excited to have part of my life.
The folks that are in these rooms, making the relationships with folks that are doing stuff that we're doing, but they're, further ahead of us, trying to help us skip, a few levels ahead. If we're here, we want to get to here a hell of a lot quicker. So, just everybody here is so welcoming. Everybody's so willing to share.
Oye, pasa una fría ahí. La calle me llama.
You'll see the folks dancing and learning and wanting to learn. I mean, that was pretty much iconic for this whole trip. You can't not dance if you're in the Caribbean. So Legacy Salsa was a totally success.
By the way, Tim Bratz put a freaking killer room together, didn't he? Give it up for Tim Bratz, my gosh.
I'm really excited that Legacy is in my hometown of Puerto Rico. I literally live 4 or 5 minutes from here. Everyone's so friendly, the weather is amazing, but the people is just what makes it.
Legacy family, I had such a blast with you guys at the Legacy Summit here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Everything was incredible. The speakers were amazing, the discussion panels were engaging, the social activities were a ton of fun. Had so much fun hanging out with you guys, really building relationships and connecting at a deep level. So I hope you guys had a blast here in San Juan, and I'm super, super excited to announce where our next summit's going to be. June 21 and 22, we are going to be at the historic Drake Hotel on the Magnificent Mile in downtown Chicago, Illinois.
Summertime shy.
We've lined up top-notch speakers to come in and share insights and expertise and experience about how they've built massive businesses and how they've achieved success mindsets in all facets of their life. In fact, they're so pumped up, they actually sent a couple messages for us about how excited they are to come and visit.
Hey Legacy family, David Meltzer here. I'm so excited. I'm gonna come and see you in Chicago, and I heard that you're a community of rock star entrepreneurs with a growth and giving mindset. We're gonna rock Chicago in June. I can't wait to share my mindset, heart set, and handset with you.
Hey everyone, my name is Kyle Maynard, and I cannot wait to be with you in Chicago. I'm one of the speakers at the Legacy Family event coming up, and my message is a simple one. There are no excuses. I was born a quad amputee, my arms in at the elbows, my legs in at the knees, and was raised with the mentality to be able to go and not focus on the disability, to be able to focus on all the things that I was capable of. Whatever that means for you, however that resonates, between now and the event, I would challenge you to go and focus on what's one thing that you could go and do and take on, and be prepared to be able to bring there and move your life in a different direction. That is the true meaning of no excuses, and I can't wait to see you guys there.
In the good life, better than the life I lived when I thought that I was gonna go crazy. And now my grandmama ain't the only girl calling me baby.